If your HW-304 canister filter starts making a loud cranking or grinding noise, don't panic. Most of the time, it's just a worn or broken impeller. In my case, the impeller was damaged. So I ordered a replacement HW-304 impeller online. That's way cheaper than buying a whole new canister filter. Unplug the filter for safety. Shut off the inlet and outlet valves. Do not open the canister while it's still connected. Water will leak. Instead, disconnect the hoses and move the canister to the sink. Now remove the motor head, then open the impeller cover. Remove and inspect the old impeller. When I pulled out the old impeller, I could clearly see the wear and damage, and that's what was causing the cranking noise. Next, install the new impeller carefully. Make sure the ceramic shaft and the rubber bushings are seated properly. Put the filter. Make sure the media, tray, flow slots hole lines up with the yellow label that says intake water. Close the canister and make sure it's fully locked and sealed. After reassembling everything, reconnect the hoses. Prime the filter to remove trapped air and plug it back in. And just like that, the noise was completely gone. The filter is running smooth and quiet again. So if your HW-304 is making noise, you might only need a simple $10 impeller. Fix instead of replacing the entire unit.